Hey everyone, today in this video I will show you how to create your account on Step AI. So first of all, open Step AI on your Chrome browser. Now just open the website. Now just click on login. Here you will have to enter your email and password. If not, you have to sign up. Now just click on login with Google. Select your account. Just click on continue. And as you can see that the account has been created on Step AI. Now you can write any prompt here to create an image or AI videos. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.